Samoan, bro. We get that technique for smoking the herbs. Bro. Here's how we go, bro. You get the pine cone from the pine cone tree, yeah? You take the pine cone, gotta be nice and big pine cone, you know? You take the knife, you take all the pine cone shit out of the tree. It's all hollow and shit, bro. Okay, you put the weed inside, you get a nuclear bomb, yeah? You fucking blow the shit out. And then you inhale the nuclear waste with the ganja, you know? You come all stoned and shit, man. That's what Oprah Winfrey came out.
The nuclear waste with the ganja. You get all sick. And then I heard something about Oprah Winfrey.
Oprah came out from there, man. She walking out, she like, Oprah! Let's chamber this shit before it all comes out, man. Chamber, man. What we used to do back in the boonies, man. No, even house, we cannot chamber shit. So you know what we did, bro? We take one human, bro. We kill him, bro. We got the human. We chamber him inside the human, bro. It's called the Samoan chamber style, bro.
Wait, tell Joe what the human. Oh my god.
Don't even know, bro. You don't even know about this, bro.
Oh my god.
I'm just making this all up, dude. Just randomly making this up. Oh, back in